Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving into the 2026 Isuzu Hiace, a powerful diesel van designed with big families in mind. If you've been searching for a vehicle that blends utility, comfort, and raw diesel power, the Hiace 2026 might just be what you are looking for. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Hiace looks robust and modern. Isuzu has clearly focused on a more refined yet practical design. The front fascia features a bold grille with chrome accents that give it a slightly aggressive stance, and the sharp LED headlights wrap around the corners, offering better visibility and a touch of style. The body lines are smooth but functional, helping to reduce wind resistance while still keeping the van looking sturdy. With its sliding side doors and high ground clearance, it's well prepared for both city roads and slightly rougher terrains. Moving inside, this van surprises you with its spacious and well thought out interior. The cabin is incredibly roomy, offering comfortable seating for up to 10 passengers, depending on the configuration. The materials used feel solid and durable, more focused on longevity than luxury, but still provide a comfortable ride. The dashboard is simple but functional, with a new digital display replacing the traditional analog setup. There's a central infotainment screen with touchscreen controls, compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. USB ports, storage compartments, and rear AC vents are plentiful, making long trips enjoyable for every passenger. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Isuzu Hiace is its performance. Under the hood, it features a powerful 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing around 180 horsepower and an impressive 450 Nm of torque. This means it has no trouble carrying full passenger loads or hauling cargo. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, which shifts smoothly and helps maintain good fuel efficiency for a van of its size. Whether you are driving on the highway or through steep, hilly roads, the Hiace holds up well, offering a confident and steady ride. It's also worth noting that the suspension system has been refined this year, resulting in better shock absorption and a smoother drive even on bumpy roads. In terms of safety, the Hiace comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rearview camera as standard. Higher trims also include lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring. It's a reassuring set of features for a family-oriented vehicle. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Isuzu Hiace starts at approximately $39,000 for the base variant, going up to about $47,000 for the fully loaded version. While it's not the cheapest option in the market, you are paying for a strong diesel engine, large passenger capacity, and Isuzu's reputation for durability. Maintenance costs are reasonable, and Isuzu offers a 5-year warranty which adds even more value to the package. So, is the Isuzu Hiace 2026 worth it? If you are looking for a reliable, spacious, and powerful van for your big family or business use, this is a solid choice. With strong diesel performance, a comfortable interior, and practical features, it ticks all the right boxes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments if the Hiace is the van for you.